Hi, boys and girls. We are going to continue with the order of operations for today in math. The first thing I want you to click on when you start math is this anchor chart. So this is the order of operations. This is the order you have to go in when you're solving a multi-step numerical expression. So the first thing you want to look at in the problem is to see if it has any parentheses. If it doesn't, you move on to see if it has any exponents. As a reminder, that little number, and we worked with exponents when we were doing powers of 10, is the exponent. If your problem doesn't have any of those, you go on to see if there's any multiplication or division. Now, this is the important part. You need to move left to right. So if you do see multiplication or division and there is some problems with multiplication or division on the left and right, you need to start with the ones on the left-hand side. Then finally, addition and subtraction, and the same thing goes for these two problems, left or right. So go ahead and then look at the activity for today. So it says Jay brought some juice boxes to soccer practice to share with his teammates. He had 3 single boxes and 4 multi-packs. There are 6 single boxes in each multi-pack. To determine how many boxes of juice Jay brought to practice, evaluate this. So evaluate means to actually do out the problem. And they give you the expression 3 plus 4 times 6. However, you will not arrive at the correct answer if you don't follow the correct steps. That's why I want you to go back to this anchor chart and go ahead and determine what needs to be done first. So I see multiplication here and I see addition, and it's going to be up to you to determine what you have to do first by using this anchor chart. Once you have figured that out, you can put your work in the box below. After you've done that, please share it with me. And finally, the other thing I want you to do for math today is espresso. So we've actually done some of these in class before and on paper. I think we brought some up on the TV before, but you can go ahead and pick whatever operations and whatever difficulty you want. And just to show you, I'm going to pick all the operations. I'm going to click on 3 basics. And then you're going to go ahead and determine how you're going to arrive at the answer of 8. So it does also move left to right. So you actually have to fill in this first. And I like this a lot because you can really just kind of figure out on your own. So that just happened to be minus and division, subtraction and division. So go ahead and do the juice problem first and then do espresso. Play around with it, see what different operations and difficulty you wanted to work with so that you're comfortable. If you have any questions, just let me know.